we are the best. You want the worst? You go across the street. You want the best? Stay right where you are.
What's goody, what's goody? It's your girl, the best fowler. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. I do appreciate you. Today we are using white polygel, and if you've never used white polygel, you're going to want to stay tuned because I have the tips and tricks for you to be successful when using white polygel. As you guys know, and if you don't know, I am a stiletto girl. Here, there, everywhere. And something in my brain told me that white square nails would be really cute on me. Yeah, I don't think I was right, but I'll let you guys see that part when it comes to that. But I did get these nail tips from Amazon. I typically shape them into my stiletto, but like I said, I decided to do something different. So I didn't leave in a lot of footage of me adding the white polygel, so I'm going to tell you guys the tips and tricks that you need to know to make this a success. First things first, you want to use a base gel. If you don't use base gel with white, you in for a rude awakening, I'm telling you now. Next things next, you don't want to use a lot of white polygel. If you have to put it on bit by bit, do that. I used too much and it took me forever to spread this stuff out. It's just so thick, and I guess the pigments make it even harder to maneuver and work with. So make sure you don't use as much as I did. Next things next, you want to make sure your brush that you're spreading with, you want to make sure that bad boy is wet. Let me know if those 3 tips helped you use white polygel. I do think that we should still use white polygel because it eliminates the process of going back in and having to polish, in my personal opinion. So I do still think that you guys should use it. Just use my tips with it and you should be good. So let's go ahead and do our check-in. How are you guys doing? I really do hope that you're doing great. It is Friday, August 11th, 9:47 a.m. I'm at work. That's why I'm kind of low on the speaker because it can't be too loud. But I find that it is easier for me to record when I'm at work because if I go home and I get in my room, I want to lay down and I want to go to sleep. I don't want to do a voiceover, honestly. So that's why I'm doing it at work. And yeah, so I hope you guys are doing good. If you are having a good day, go ahead and drop a smiley face in the comment section. If you're not having the best day, I do hope that your day gets better. I hope that my video brings you some form of joy. And I'm so sorry that you're not having the best day, but hopefully it turns around. Right now in the video, I am showing you how to do the easiest marble nail you'll ever do. So the key to this look is the base coat. If you have blooming gel, use that. I don't have it, so I'm using any old base coat that I have in my collection. And you don't want to cure the base coat. The base coat is going to help the white polish to spread. I am using Madam Glam's Perfect White because it is the perfect white. I am taking a liner brush and I am drawing curved lines up my nail. You do not have to do the same curve method that I use. I just know that I want the clear tip to be showing, so that's why I did it this way. So now I'm taking the same brush with a little bit of product on it, and I'm just flicking it back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. It did get a little bit messy, but that's nothing that we cannot clean up. And after you clean up, you have your marble. Now tell me that's not the easiest marble you've seen. I'll wait. Right, that's what I thought. So let's go ahead and watch it again. We might as well call this the blooper section because I just was doing anything at this point. My first idea was to create a white on white French tip because I saw it on Instagram or TikTok somewhere. I saw it and I was like, oh, that's cute. I like that. But I couldn't see. I could not see to make the lines look decent. So I just wiped everything off. And I know I told y'all that after you put the white polygel down, you don't need white polish. And for some reason, I almost was about to go in with white polish, but I took that off, so don't worry about that part. Well, let's talk about what I meant when I said square nails are not for me. They're not for me because my fingers just look so fat. Or not necessarily fat, but yeah, the nails look fat to me, especially that ring finger. It just did not work out. So after that fail with the French tip, I did try to do the crocodile print look, and that was better, but the powder, it glows in the dark, and I didn't want glow in the dark, so I took that off and just kept it plain. I did add a little bit of shimmer that I had. When I say shimmer, I'm meaning glitter. I got a glitter gel polish from Young Nails a while ago. And after a couple of days, I came to the reality that I don't like square nails. And I reshaped my nails, which is what you'll see in this TikTok. That is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. And click the notification bell so you're notified of when I next upload. And I hope to speak with you guys next time.